Now, you can access and print files from virtually anywhere with HP DesignJet ePrint and Share, available for HP DesignJet web-connected printers. You can print directly from your computer with the added freedom of printing from all your mobile devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Plus, with HP DesignJet ePrint and Share, a copy of your file is saved to the cloud, whether it's coming from your printer driver, tablet, or smartphone app, or your computer. So, with just a few taps or clicks, you can view and reprint copies of any file that's in your online print history. HP DesignJet ePrint and Share is also secure, which will give you the peace of mind to freely work wherever you need to be. And remember, this free new way of printing is available only from HP with HP DesignJet ePrinters. Create an HP DesignJet ePrint and Share account and learn more at www.hp.com/go/ePrintandShare.